Good morning, everyone. How you all doing? 11 o'clock already. Wow.
Is it?
Yeah, 11 o'clock.
Oh my god.
That's gone quick. Well, I didn't get out of bed till 9. I couldn't be bothered. Woke up at 6 to go for a pee and got back to bed. I didn't get back out with it till 9 o'clock. Oh, been raining a bit this morning. Wasn't due for it, was it? You say morning.
Morning. Me puffing on my music.
Barry and Joe just nipped over there and having a little chat. Probably going to go over there and chat to them later on or something. We're going to get... It's our last night, our last day and night tonight, isn't it? No. Bloody back to civilization again. Bloody horrible going home. We've got a... Johnny needs to dig this pitch up that we're on for an electrical cable underneath. So... But got to do some packing, a little bit of packing up today.
Funds are a bit low. Yeah,
funds are a bit low now. But got to do a little bit of packing up today. Don't know when we can be bothered to. Instead of doing literally everything in the morning. So I'll probably get a few things back in bags and boxes. So that's all organised, so we can just throw it in the car. Then we haven't got to do no organising tomorrow. Just throw it in the car and go.
Ellie! Ellie! Hello!
Still calling a dog over. No, bless. Probably go over and see Eddie and Rachel soon.
Ellie! Ellie!
Dog's coming to say hello.
Ellie!
Just there, look. Aw, cute little dog. Yeah, so many people have dogs now, don't they? A few people going out. I'll have to show you how many campers are about now. It's like near enough full. Not as full as obviously the festival, but all the pictures are nearly taken, aren't they?
Yeah.
But everyone goes tomorrow. I've spoken to everyone going home tomorrow pretty much. Same as us back home. Oh God. Go home and had fun, but go home and won't leave the house. We'll have the holiday blues, won't we?
Oh.
Starting to feel them now, to be honest. It's one of them where you just can't be bothered. You just feel miserable knowing that you've got to go back and...
Someone gives some energy.
Yeah. I think the holiday blues are starting already. Yeah, wait till tomorrow.
Start. Go away.
My nan.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get them. None behind me is we did have an ant's nest behind here, but it's gone now, I think. Yep, so anyway, I'll leave it here for now until we know what we're doing and get cracked on. So catch you in a bit. Oh, we're just going over to see Rachel and Eddie and Barry and Joe over there. Said to you, look how busy it's got now. Yeah. Very busy now. Most all pictures are pretty much almost full. No. So we are just shooting over in that corner there and go and see them all. Not sure if anyone's coming in there. He's still empty. Off goes Rachel. I'm just going to have a quick look. No, I've locked it. In my pocket. Oh, hang on a minute. I'm going to have a quick look at this Caravan here because they've got a big awning, haven't they? Not going to take you in now. So we'll catch you soon. See you in a bit. Morning everyone, how you all doing? Oh, can't believe I completely forgot to do a video last night, but then again, we ended up down at the club with everybody. So we're having a few drinks and a laugh and that, so we're just chilling and enjoying our last night pretty much. We've got Tina's there.
Go home today.
Yeah, going home today. Don't know when, it's raining at the minute, so it can wait until the tent's dry. I'm not putting it away when it's wet. No, shame. I've been here nearly 2 weeks. But back home. Bits packed now, as you've seen on the video that showed it. It's got quite a few. A lot of these are going today though, a lot of them. But obviously we were with Eddie and Rachel and Barry and Joe last night, so having a few drinks, having a laugh, and that's why I didn't get no footage in. And then basically come back to the tent and went basically straight to bed. So yes, sorry I forgot to say goodnight to you all last night, but I'll just put this into the last video pretty much, because I know I haven't done much filming, but we've been doing that. We've just been chilling and not doing anything, and then we've been talking to a load of other people anyway, so it's one of them, innit? But hopefully you've enjoyed all these videos that we've put out on this trip. Got another one to come with Chris and Sammy, and then obviously hopefully be at Willency in October, or we'll be somewhere in October anyway. So anyway, talk to you all soon. Right, we're starting to pack a little bit, get a few things in order. I've just took the tarp down, letting that dry a little bit because we've had a little bit of rain, which is typical. Tina's here.
Oh yeah.
All pooped out, got some bits on the floor. I've still got loads to do. I've got to squeeze it in the car, that's the problem. But everybody's packing up pretty much now. All there, look, everyone's getting ready.
Where am I putting this drink? You've still got a bit of drink.
Let's leave it there for him.
I don't know where to
So yeah, some people are starting to pack up now. Just waiting for everything to dry because it's not meant to rain now. So hopefully, next half an hour, everything should be almost dry. Let's move this. Yeah, I know I'm going to do them in a minute. I just need to sort this bit out because this ain't dried off. Yeah, it's still quite wet in places. This side is as well because most of the heat's that side, so I may have to get a towel on that. On this side. I don't know. So anyway, we'll catch you in a bit. Ta-da. Right, there we go. Another camp over. Oh, back to civilization. Oh, all gone. Yeah, I know there's a pack, but that's not bad for 2 weeks. Everywhere's empty again. Oh. Gonna miss it. Gonna miss it. We're gonna look over to Barry and Joe now. Yeah, oh. All over. So hopefully you've enjoyed these vlogs. Don't know when the next one's going to be. It'll probably be end of August. Obviously we're in August now, beginning of August. But we'll catch you on the next one. And don't forget, do all them good things for us. Give us a subscribe, give us a like, give us a comment, give us a share. It means the world to us. We want to build this channel for the better. So, until next time, love you all. Ta-da!
As the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The last so